Hi, Gary Galka from DAS. I'm holding the P-SB11-ANC model. The ANC model is the spirit box that has the adjustable noise control feature built into it. Now, all other operating characteristics of the SB11 remain the same. The only addition, again, is the sweep noise filter. Now, the sweep noise filter is adjustable by the user. I want to give you a general overview on what to do and how to do it when you open the box. So on the back, we have 4 buttons. We're in the middle of having labels printed up. So when you receive this, there'll be a label here and everything will be done a little more professionally than what you're looking at with a printed label. But this is for channel 1 and this is for channel 2. The button on the left will have an up arrow, and every time you press it, you increase how much noise you want to remove. The button on the right with the down arrow allows you to make adjustments so that you could hear more noise. And both of those are done for channel 1 and channel 2. We also have 4 tabs which allow you to set this on a table. It does not move, and it protects the buttons from being pressed. Clearly, you also have to put in a 9-volt battery before use, and we recommend that you use an alkaline battery for that. When you get this, the box has been thoroughly tested. The noise control circuit has been pre-adjusted prior to shipping, and the adjustments are saved in memory inside the device, so it knows pretty much where it should be, but you can still make subtle corrections and changes depending on your listening preference. That's something that you would do on your own. So you turn it on, and the first thing you should do is adjust the sweep rate. So channel 1, let's address channel 1 first. My preferred sweep rate is anywhere from 150 to 200. So on channel 1, I selected 200. On channel 2, I'm going to adjust it, and I'm going to make that 150. For channel 1, I'm now going to sweep forward, and for channel 2, I'm going to sweep backwards. So now the device is fully operational. By the way, I do have the temperature off. That's adjusted over here on the side. That's my own preference, and I have the antenna on, although I have received responses with the antenna off. Now we're sweeping. Since the adjustable noise control filter has already been adjusted, all you need to do is gently increase the volume for channel 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm starting to hear a little bit of static in the background. If you listen carefully, you hear a little bit of sound. Then you do the same thing for channel 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about right about there. The ANC also has its own amplification system built into it. So we're amplifying the audio signal through the ANC filter. In addition, you also have the adjustable high and low volume controls for channel 1 and 2. You do not want to have it too loud because then you're going to end up with some distortion. Now, it is my preferred method to use an antenna because the signal strength, I'm going to just mute this on the side for a minute while I'm speaking. It's my belief that the stronger the frequency, spirits have the ability to manipulate and alter some of the carrier wave frequency to embed their own code or to create their own words through the box. So let me turn the mute off. Now, if that's too noisy for you at that level, what you can do is you can turn around. That's channel 2 sounds like it's a little bit loud. tap the button to block out more noise. And you could hear an immediate change occur. Remember, if you're looking at it from the front, that the controls are now on a diagonal. So channel 1 is located on this side, and channel 2 is located on this side behind the controller. So if you're using your fingers to make adjustments, which I like to do, it's very convenient. Let me introduce a little bit more noise for channel 1. And for channel 2. Let me get rid of that noise a little bit.
Remind you.
You want to remind me what? About what? You said, let me remind you. What could you possibly remind me of? I'm curious. Okay, so that's pretty much how it operates. So I just want to give you a general overview. You still have other things like a flashlight on top. Let me see if you can see that. And temperature control, plus or minus 5-degree ambient temperature change with a reset. You can turn the antenna on and off on the side over here. And we have an audio mute if you want to silence it, speak, or whatever you want to do before you carry on. That's it. This is the PSB11-ANC with the adjustable noise control. Nice and quiet. Responses come through, and I'm going to show you some of the responses that just came through while I was running some additional tests. Right. And you can see that things are fairly clear when they do come through. And other than that, I did build up about 10 of these, which you can find on our website. And I'll put a connection if you're interested in the product. Very good. That's pretty much what I want to show you.
And
30 seconds. This is only a test. You're always waiting. For what? I have no clue. Your time is up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, correct. 3, 2, 1. What happens after 1? 0, correct. Adios.